So this is the place that Jenny have eaten since was kid.
Now we go to Vincom Center. Oh. Oh. Ôi ôi. And my pants is soaking wet. We're heading to eat breakfast. Jenny got stuck in traffic in there, so we will wait for her for a while. Cala.
So this is the place that Jenny have eaten since was kid, a little kid. And Jenny always have a combo like pho. And then Jenny order one milk, glass of milk, a little bit touch of coffee on it. Never change. It's still now. Making a dip sauce, dipping sauce. Một con người không ăn được ớt.
Không có biết giới thiệu với em. Thai baby. Where is it?
I don't even know.
Where's the baby on the side?
And then after all that, you put the spin roll and all the herbs in. If you want. Sorry, I don't know the herb, any kind of herb. But at least Thai basil have to. Like this one is a Thai basil. Where is the rest? Thai basil. It's really good in pho.
This one is sesame.
Not like kind of like I don't know, minty kind of minty flavor.
Order the drink, and soon I will also have a cafe soda, so coffee with milk and ice. That one, yeah. Now we're gonna eat.
No.
Yeah.
Rồi nói đi.
This is fast sauce for boosting up the flavor, and also if the Vietnamese coffee doesn't make your tummy hurt, it's not good. Trust me.
I can.
We are taking the Grab to District 1, I think. Yeah. arrived now to center. We go first to the, I think it's called Vincom. Is it called Vincom Center? Yeah, we go to Vincom Center. It's kind of more like brand stuff in here. Kind of like basic mall, but we will go to other areas later also, so let's see what they have in here. So we're heading to the new playground clothing shop. We just try to find it from here. I think it's one more level down. Up there. Yeah. On a shopping mall store of the new playground, they didn't have much. So we're heading to the original place now, which is across the street there. And the shopping mall is in there. So it's pretty close by. But yeah, let's go see. More stuff in here.
My first backpack, right? Second spider.
Oh, ôi ơi. Now we're heading to the walking street.
Never been here. Never luôn á. Chưa bao giờ bước chân đây luôn.
Here they have all the big brands, shops. Yeah. There's the opera house. Yeah, like a big square in here. Go on that side. water.
As tomorrow is gonna be Independence Day, so it's a big day, a big holiday. So they are practicing, and there's like a parade from in Hanoi. So now they broadcasting here.
They have a practice going on. There's some more clothing shops in here. There. The famous coffee house building in there. Soon we're gonna go to eat some barbecue. Có rồi.
Ê, vô. Tay cha tay này dài.
Sauces, salad,
Ê, heo.
grill,
Heo.
more sauces. So some of the foods arrived already.
So that is pork.
Breast.
Breast. Then there's I think that is beef.
It's a deer.
Deer.
Yeah.
Venice.
So yeah, it's a beef.
Beef.
I think then this fried rice. And this is a deer.
Deer.
And this is a chicken john or whatever it is. I don't know. Yeah, we still have a small of the hot pot. And this is a soda with plums. Yeah, the plums. With the plums. Yeah, nó làm từ plums rồi. Plum.
Tiêu mình.
Nấu cái này được không?
Yeah, that's Này mà
Que đó. Cái que. Cái bột đá cái que không? Lấy cái gì đâu?
We just drove from the restaurant in this rain like 15 minutes and my pants is soaking wet. But yeah, it's soaking wet. Her pants is soaking wet. And there's like some points there were like 10 centimeter of water on the road when we drive, and just keep pouring down, more rain and rain.